Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again, and this time I'm back with a very great news for all of you. So another PSU joins the bandwagon for GATE 2024. Another PSU has released a notification that they are going to recruit through GATE 24, and this time this is the biggest PSU for electrical engineers, that is your Power Grid. So Power Grid has released a notification stating that they'll be recruiting engineering graduates at executive position for engineer trainee 2024, and the discipline will be electrical, electronics, civil and your computer science. Okay. So first of all, they have given the details about Power Grid. It is a Maharatna PSU under Ministry of Power, Government of India. It operates in 1,76,109 kilometer transmission line along with 275 substation. Okay. Now, eligibility criteria, beta. Eligibility criteria is you have to appear in the corresponding GATE paper of 2024. For ET electrical, you have to appear in EE. ET electronics, you have to appear in EC. For civil, you have to appear in CE. And computer science, you have to appear in CS. Okay. So upper age limit as on 31st of December, end of this year, it is 28 years. Now, what is the course? Full-time BE and BTech from recognized university. For electrical, what all discipline they are accepting? Electrical, electrical power, triple E. Triple E is also getting accepted under electrical, but you have to appear for double E. Okay. Electronics, power system, power engineering. Under electronics, they are accepting electronics, EC, ETC, electronics and electrical. So triple E is being accepted in electronics as well as in electrical. Triple E is being accepted in both the places. Then electronics and electrical communication. I think this is a different branch. This is not triple E. Electronics and electrical communication, then telecommunication. Okay. So this is not triple E. Triple E is in electrical. This is electronics and electrical communication. This is a different branch. For civil, only civil. And for CS, it is CS and IT. You need to have a minimum 60% marks or equivalent CGPA. Final year or semester student who expect their results by 14th August 2024 are eligible to apply, provided they have obtained 60% marks or CGPA up to the pre-final examination. That is up to 7th semester. Your marks should be more than 60%. And you must be eligible to qualify by 14th of August. Okay. So you must mention your marks up to the pre-final examination. Okay. Now, relaxation and concession. PWBD subcategories they have given. You can go through it. If you are basically lying in this category, you can go through these details. Reservation for OBC, SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, J&K domicile victim of riots. As per Government of India directive, persons suffering from less than 40% of relevant disability shall only be eligible for benefit of PWBD. Okay. For OBC, relaxation is 3 years in the age limit, SC, ST 5 years, PWBD 10 years. So reservation and relaxation details are given, beta. Selection process. Now, they will select on the basis of marks obtained out of 100 in the corresponding GATE paper. Then they will conduct a GD, group discussion and personal interview. Okay. So if you have qualified in GATE 2024, then you are eligible for the next stage of selection. Qualifying marks will be decided by the GATE authorities. So qualified candidates shall be shortlisted category wise. That is, general category students will be shortlisted separately. Then PWBD, then SC, ST, OBC, everybody will be shortlisted separately based on their normalized marks out of 100. You can understand that either it will be marks or rank, both are proportional. So based on your marks, you will be shortlisted. And you can appear for GD and interview either in Hindi or English. So English is not mandatory. Now, you can obtain information about your application status through login at the Power Grid online application system. You will be able to download your interview call letter in case you are shortlisted. Okay. So if you are shortlisted, you have to bring your documents for document verification. Okay. And these documents will be mentioned in the interview call letter. Now, You must also qualify the personal interview in order to be recruited. Only gate marks are not enough. Qualifying percentage in interview for different categories mentioned. In unreserved category, at least 40% marks in interview. For other category, 30% marks. What is the weightage of different parameter? Gate marks will be weightage of 85%. Suppose you get 60 marks out of 100. So they will take 60% of 85. That will be the marks that they will consider in your gate paper. Okay. They will make it on a base of 85. GD 3% and interview 12%. Now, candidate who have been shortlisted for GD and interview may undergo psychometric assessment, which is a quiz, result of which shall be used as input during the interview. So sometimes they do consider psychometric assessment, but it is not a knockout kind of a stage. It is just qualifying. It is not on the basis of ranking. So they will not use the result of psychometric assessment in shortlisting you, in ranking you. They'll just check whether you are fit enough mentally to apply for this job. Okay. Only GATE 24 score they will consider, not GATE 2023. And before joining, they will conduct your medical test also. So compensation, you will be placed in a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000, and your basic pay will be 40,000 along with IDA, HRA perks of 12% of basic pay during the training period. After completion of training, you will be absorbed as engineer in E2 scale, 50,000 to 1,60,000. And on regularization, that is after completion of training, your package will include basic pay, DA, prerequisite allowance as per cafeteria, performance related pay, company leased accommodation, company quarter, HRA, reimbursement of monthly conveyance, all these benefits that you will only get in a government job. Selected candidates will have to execute a bond. You have to sign a bond agreement of 5 lakh rupees. Okay. And for SC, ST, PWBD is 2.5 lakh. For at least 3 years, you have to be in a bond with them. So you have to register for GATE 24. If you have not registered, today is the last date and it will be extended by 14 days. But then you have to pay 500 rupees extra. So visit this website to register for GATE, and a separate notification related to number of vacancies, reservation instruction will be published on their website on 10th of January. And application will open from 16th of Jan to 18th of Feb. You have to register yourself on the Power Grid website with GATE 24 application number, registration number and other details. Okay. SC, ST, PWBD candidate do not need to pay any sort of application fees, and unreserved category will have to pay an application fees of 500 rupees. You must have your GATE 24 admit card and scorecard at the time of GD and interview. These are some general information that you can go through, beta. You must go through all these information before applying. So that is a good news. They have given the details of the GATE exam as well. This is the GATE details and these are the details of the Power Grid recruitment. So they will release the official notification on 16th of Jan. Basically your application will start on 16th of Jan and your last date of submission will be 18th of Feb. Detailed notification will come out on 10th of Jan. In case you have any query about this notification, let us know in the comment section of this video. And beta, today is the last day of applying for GATE examination. Make sure that you apply today and you do not miss out on the opportunity. Other than that, let me tell you one thing, bacho. Let me tell you one thing. So basically our Umeed batch is starting on Monday, which is a rank improvement come crash course. So in this, I'll be dealing with all the subject. I'll be handling your revision. And till tomorrow, you are getting 20% off using the code RIB20. Same batch we are launching for EC by the name Unnati batch. Here I'll be dealing with the non-core subject and expert faculties will be dealing with the core subject. Here also you are getting 20% off using RIB20. And as you know, beta, machines recorded course is available at 40% off using the code EM40. Power systems course at 20% off using PS20. EMFT recorded course at 20% off using the code EMFT20. And test series at 10% off using the code Ankit ESC. In case you have any queries related to the discount, you can message us on our WhatsApp number 7089047561. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and comment about any queries related to the Power Grid notification. I would say this is a very positive, very good news and very welcome news for all the engineering graduates. Thank you.